First, let me clarify this format for you, how the format is done and what things are provided in it. First, you will see a number provided here. This number given is the Facebook ID. You will see a password in continuation. This is the Facebook password. After that, there is another dash. It means that your two-factor authentication is starting here. This comes in handy when you log into your Facebook ad account with your Facebook ID, the profile, the code it will ask for. You will need to add it first inside the authentication key. After that, it is generated. Then you can see it here, Hotmail. Hotmail is your personal Microsoft email that you can log into personally and use for everything because it is personally yours. After entering that, this Hotmail password is for this Hotmail and the backup code needed to log into Hotmail is provided in this temporary mail. When you take assets from us like Facebook, Business Manager, page or profile, we provide you with the profile along with the 3-line profile ID. Now many people have this doubt and question about how to log in. Let me clear this for you. First, copy your Outlook email from here in this format and then search for outlook.com. You will see Microsoft Hotmail and then Outlook, both are logged in at the same place inside Outlook email. Now, click on sign in and paste what you have copied here. Now it will ask you for the password of this Outmail. Look, you have two options. We also provide a backup email. You can log in with this backup email inside this email. Now when you log into this backup email, then the code for Outlook will come on it, or the other option is that you can directly log in through the password we have provided you. So we give you a backup email which is a temporary email. Now like the free mail work, how will you log into this? Favored mail.work is a site for inbox, so you will find the username there. Sometimes you get fiber mail, sometimes you get NADA. It depends on what the ending keywords are. So whenever you don't understand how to log into the last email, you need to copy the ending keywords. If you add a temporary mail here on mail work, you will find quite a few things to see. From here, used to the. So whenever you need to log into temporary emails, you have to search for the ending words here and then write temp mail after that, and the website will appear at the top, first or second. There you will find their usernames. You can simply log in with their username to access it. Like now, I will copy its username from K to B. I will paste it here and click on get email for the mail work. My temporary email login has been successfully done. Now the code for my Outlook email will be received here on the Favor mail on the two-factor one. So let's check here. First, you need to add the same thing, which is your email. You have to paste the entire email here. When you click on send code, your code will be sent to the temporary mail from here. As your code is sent from here, you will receive a code from Microsoft, so we will wait for it. As you can see, your single-digit code has arrived here. This has been sent by Microsoft to log into the email because this is a backup mail and a 3-line ID. Therefore, you have been provided with a backup mail. So now my Outlook email has been successfully logged in here. I will click on yes and then I can access my email from here. So it's quite easy to access the email. You should know how to log into your temporary email. Secondly, your Outlook automatically logs in. Now what happens sometimes, your temporary email is the Fiverr mail one or the GetNada one. So when you come to getnada.com, you will find a lot of things to see here. Like when you first get into the inbox, here whatever your username is, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you will enter it, and whatever the username is, there are so many usernames here you can check. There are so many usernames here. You can take any username temporarily. So whenever you get a 3-line ID from Facebook, check the ending, the .com, to see what it is. It may be here or inside the mail. It may be inside Fiverr mail. It can be anywhere. So simply in this way, you can log into your Microsoft and Google emails in a very short time. Like when you view the Facebook page, you will open Facebook in your browser, and where it asks for your mobile number, you need to paste this number in place of the mobile number address provided in the ID here. This first number will function as both your mobile number and email, and with this your Facebook ID will log in. Inside the password, they say this password is given for the demo. You will get a password like this. You need to add that password here. When you click on login, it will ask you for the two-factor authentication code. Now, where will you get this two-factor authentication code from? The one given in capital letters needs to be completely copied from here. If you have purchased the Facebook ID password from us, you will get the same code. You need to paste it on the 2.cnff code. Submit it as you submit. In the end, a 6-digit 2 code is being generated. For 30 seconds, when you log in with this code inside the Facebook ID and paste it there, your Facebook ID will immediately log in this way. Now, as the ID is logged in, everything gets connected here. We connect everything and provide it to you. Inside the connection, like if you look inside the pages, you will see 3 pages that I mentioned in green are already connected in this. Now look here, you will see all 3 pages connected. When you come over this, the pages. Here, invitations go to all 3. If you're setting up through us, we will completely accept and provide you with the pages here. You will not have to accept anything additional separately. Also, as you can see, all the pages have been accepted here. In very rare cases, it will ask for a code. Otherwise, in all cases, they are easily accepted. It doesn't ask for a code anywhere. So now, as the pages have been accepted here, I have already connected your BM.
What is BM? Business Manager Verified.
Now, this is used when you need to keep your ad account safe. You need to keep your page safe. You need to keep all your business assets safe. You need to run it long term. At that time, it is necessary for Facebook's business manager to be verified. So here, when you purchase the setup through us, we provide you with the Facebook profile, page, and business manager all attached. Now here, here as we click, you will come here. You will click on its settings. Now this two-factor authentication code I recently told you about, here you will paste the FA and submit it. Then a new key will be generated each time. As you enter it here, your 2FA will actually be verified. You can also set this up on your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So as the business manager is logged in here, when you click on business info, you will see the business status here. Verified, it means here a verified business manager is set up. Now our actual work finishes here. We have given you the Facebook profile, which is old like here. We have connected 3 pages for you. All 3 of your pages are now connected. When your ad account comes up on Kimi, it will simply show the ad account here. You have to click on BM share, which will be your business manager ID. You need to copy the business manager ID we have provided and paste it here. Once you confirm and submit, your ID will be shared. Your ad account will be linked to your business. Here you need to assign yourself. After assigning yourself, check all 3 marks. Assign yourself. Once assigned, refresh it once. Normally, just as you can use your ad manager, you have to open it from here. So you can use it just like that